loves, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's makeup tutorial, I wanted it to be very simplistic but super cute at the same time. So if you guys aren't familiar, last week I did a poll on my Instagram basically asking my Instagram followers to pretty much choose or pick my makeup look. And of the questions that I asked for what specific eye look my Instagram followers wanted to see me film, and I said a bold spring color or do a monochromatic one eyeshadow type look, and 57, it was pretty close, and then 57% of my followers said do a bold spring color, and 43% of them said to do a monochromatic look. So being that I had already filmed that makeup look, in the back of my mind I was still pretty much inspired to film a monochromatic look. I feel that being that it's spring, being that it's almost summertime, you want to incorporate bold colors, and at the same time incorporating just one color always makes a look pop even more. It's just super fun and super easy. All you need is one primary color that you guys want on your lid. It could be yellow, it could be blue, it could be green, it could be red, it could be purple, pink, whatever color, as long as it's monochromatic, where you're doing it all over the lids and underneath the eye. And for this look, I didn't use any false lashes. I wanted to keep it very simplistic. So if you guys are interested in getting this look, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Go on and continue to watch. Don't forget to hit that bell. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Go with my Subculture palette from Anastasia, and I'm going to start out with, let's see, we're going to start out with Roxy. Put that into the crease area. Alright, now for the main attraction, I'm actually going to be going in with like 2, maybe possibly 3 different colored yellows. So I'm going to first start out with New Wave. I'm going to go with New Wave, and then I'm also going to go in with Edge. So I'm going to mix both of them up and put that all over the lid. And this is the color, so you guys can kind of get a glimpse of how the yellow is gonna look. Pigmented, I'm gonna go back into New Wave, and I'm actually gonna put it on my finger and try it that way so that you guys can kind of see. It's actually better. Because I want something a little bit more pigmented, I'm going to go into the e.l.f. 18 Hit Wonder palette, and of course take the color Solar, which is this bold yellow shade here. Take my mascara again and do like my second coat. Something in my inner corner. You guys already know that. I'm going to take Adorn, which is this one here, and I'm just going to pop her in my inner corner. For the lips, I want to keep it very simple, neutral, glossy. Now looking back, yeah, yeah. Now looking back, wanna be your man. And then, as I mentioned, I'm not going to apply any false lashes to this look because I think it's very spring, summertime-esque, and your everyday girl does not really put on lashes. So I figured, like, just with it being like super balm and having like 2 coats of lashes, I may even put on a third. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna put on a 3rd coat. 3 coats for me is good. Okay,